Hello and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we are going to walk through the Accounting Bridge add-on feature so you can export invoices into the accounting system of your choice. We take the ledger codes for your accounting system and input them into BlinkBid. You tag your line items with their appropriate ledger codes and then can begin exporting invoices. Go to the Financials tab and access the Accounting Bridge while inside a job. Then, mark it for review. The job will now appear with a review tag. If you are not sure all your line items are properly tagged with a ledger code, just click View Ledger Codes to double-check. The job will now appear under the Accounting Bridge sector in My Accounts under Jobs marked for Accounting Export. Once you have reviewed the job and completed the final invoice, select the job or jobs for export. It will create a CSV file which can be automatically imported into your accounting system, depending on your system's integration capabilities. This export will occur overnight. When complete, the jobs will appear under the Exported Invoices tab. Thank you so much for watching. For more information about pricing or questions about the feature, please contact support@blinkbid.com.